How to factory reset your iPhone.
So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily factory reset your iPhone settings. In some cases, if you have corrupted the software of your iPhone and it's no longer being updated or it's continuously crashing, then you might just need to reset or factory reset your iPhone. To do that, just head over to your settings on your device. Once you're inside here, simply scroll down and click on the general option over here. Once you tap on that, just scroll all the way down until you see the option that is Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on this, and from over here you can see there is an option that is Reset or Erase all content and settings. If you just want to reset all of the settings, you can tap on Reset all settings, which will basically reset all of these settings such as network, keyboard, handwriting, home screen, location, and privacy. But if you want to completely remove all of the contents as well as settings, just tap on Erase all content and settings. This will delete everything, including your account, apps, data, and everything from over here. Once you proceed with the on-screen instructions, you can easily factory reset your settings just like that. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.